Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Good day. I am Grace Ann S. Bulan. I am 34 years old. I am currently living in Taguig City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I am married. I have 4 kids. I am a high school graduate. Year 2007. I have 3 years local job experience as a house helper. My employer was an Indian national. I serve 4 people, 2 adults, one 8-year-old child, and one elderly, 72 years old. I am a all-around house helper. I do cleaning, ironing, laundry, marketing, cooking. I can cook Western food and some Chinese food, basic actually. I can follow recipes, and I am a fast learner. Cooking is my passion. I can also car washing. I can do tutoring, helping children to their assignments. Thank you and good day.